Meet Pastor N.J. Sithole.
Well known as Bulldozer, Caterpillar, Tsunami. He was a police officer in South Africa, but his life took a special turn in 1991. That's when he felt a strong calling from God. He started the Christian Fellowship Center, CFC, in KwaZulu-Natal, a place for people who wanted to grow spiritually. N.J. Sithole wasn't just about preaching in a church. He took his message everywhere, on trains, buses, anywhere he could. The church started small in a classroom but grew big. NJ wanted it to be a place where people could learn about God and do good things for others.
Steadfastly in the doctrine of the apostles, in the fellowship, Holy Communion, prayers. The difference that made the early church to be miraculous, it's the continuation.
He felt something more was needed. So, in 1992, he started God's Army Evangelistic Ministry. This was all about helping people who were hurting and bringing them closer to God. NJ left his job as a police officer to do this full-time. His first big event at Fundakale Primary School was a huge success. From there, he went all over South Africa spreading his message of faith and hope, using a big gospel tent. NJ believed in working together with pastors from different churches like the Assemblies of God and the Apostolic Faith Mission, and believed in unifying the body of Christ. NJ was a very bold, strong, and fearless preacher who preached strongly against sin. Even though NJ passed away in 2010 at age 46, his work continues.
His residential address has now been changed. Let us honor N.J. Sithole by preserving his work, legacy, and heritage for the next generation.
His wife, Dr. M.T. Sithole, now leads the church and ministry. NJ's story is about believing in something bigger, working hard, and helping others. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel so you won't miss our next uploads. God bless you.